I've been getting asked the same whole damn question for the past year. First one is,
have you seen the recip saw that Flex came out with?
yes, I have. The second question is,
Do you have a video on a new recip saw?
no, I haven't. Third question is,
Do you know if the FLEX Recip Saw is any good?
no, I haven't used it yet. Fourth question is,
Can you buy it, bring it to the channel, and review it for us, please?
yes, I will. Fifth question is,
How do you keep the skin on your face so moist and silky like?
I don't know, it's all natural. Going back to the second or third question, here it is. Yep, this is the FLEX Recip Saw, and we're gonna use and abuse, we're gonna slice and dice, we're gonna see what this thing can or maybe cannot do. Hell, I might even put this up against the Milwaukee IA Super Sawzall. Come on, let's go test this out. Always lagging behind. Yep, so this is the FLEX, and I'll tell you what, man, this thing is pretty freaking light. Like, I was expecting it to be all bulky and such, but it ain't. Like, I could take out my man hands and stretch that straight out like such, and yeah, it's real nice like. Of course, it's all brushless, that's what you would expect. Now, what I'm happy to see, and I was hoping to see, was an orbital. And believe it or not, you know, a lot of these like more expensive pro grade recip saws, they don't put orbital action, which I never understood why they wouldn't, but this does have it. I'm not calling any other companies out. They won't. All right, for our slicing and dicing today, we got a couple Diablo blades that we got. We got a metal cutting blade, we're gonna slice and dice, and we got the general purpose is for like wood and nails, and that's also from Diablo. When I first picked up this recip saw, I was like, okay, where's the quick release lever? Like, I was hoping they'd have that on there, and they don't have one. But the way this works, I'm actually really happy. So this holder, to call it whatever you want to call it, you get it? Call it whatever you want to call it. It's so funny. Anywho, so you're going to take that blade, just going to drop it in like so, and boom, it automatically locks in. That, my friends, that's real nice like. Now, the only downside about this is that if you're cutting and that goes down inside, if it's all the way down in like so, you're not really going to be able to open that up. So you got to make sure that that's up, and you just turn it, which is very simple to get to. Opens up, and then you put the other blade in and it locks again, so very quick. So where I was first at like, you know, why isn't there a quick release? Well, it is really good. It's real nice like how this works. You also got that sweet LED light right there. They'll stay on. Now, another nice thing that I like about this is the actual orbital action itself. You know, the switch, look how easy that is. And there's a little bit of a click that it locks in, so it's not gonna like, you know, offset or turn off on you automatically, but you just, that's off, and then oscillation on. And I'm hoping that this feels as good. I mean, it's very comfortable in the hands, but let's check this thing out and slice and dice this straight to 6x6 with some pilot holes. All right, first off, let's take off this lag screw. Now, again, I'm just flipping off my oscillating like so. That's for your viewing pleasure. 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn! But let me say something real quick. You know, I know a lot of people say, you know, it's all the blade, it's not the tool. And yeah, you gotta have a good blade. That's why I use Diablo. But the saw absolutely plays a role. Let me show you. You see that right there? That's not so nice like right there. So I think the evil twin's coming out over here. So we just switch this out. We're gonna save that piece of wood, but let's just do some slicing and dicing. Is the oscillating on? No. Okay, that's not oscillating. Let's go oscillating. I just like picking this stuff up very much. All right, here's something I'm noticing about this recip saw. First off, it's quick, but usually when you have the orbital mode on, you know, the oscillating orbital, whatever, hello, you get a ton of vibration. You barely feel it. I mean, this is a very smooth saw. I mean, the vibration on here is very minimal. The padding, I don't know what they got going on in here, but you just don't feel that. We're gonna come back to the woodage. Let's go over to some metal. We'll use the correct blade this time. Again, it's super simple. You're just gonna pop that. It's gonna stay open on you. You don't have to hold that in. And then this goes in like so. And then it clicks, it stays put. All right, so this is about a 1/4 inch thick. Yeah, some metal, steel. And yeah, we're gonna take off the orbital. So real simple to do, just flip that up because you want that cut to be smooth. Let's just see what it does. Well, let's go on the side for your viewing pleasure, even though it's uncomfortable for me. We got a variable speed, by the way, on this. If I wanted to go slower, we're not gonna go slower. It's always kind of cool to see how this stuff cuts through, but you don't always get to see it on the camera until now. Again, a lot of the times you would just feel that bouncing like all over the place. So as you can see, I have my evil twin with me here today. He said he's not talking to me because he hates my face. We're gonna race. Now he usually wears a VCG construction hat and shirt, but he went out last night, came back, didn't have any clothes, and I let him borrow a few things. All right, so on the left here, we got the end all be all when it comes to recip saw. It's the super sawzall from Milwaukee IA, and then this is the FLEX. We're gonna go with the 10AH FLEX Bat-Ray on here, it's a stacked lithium, and then we're using the 12.0 Bat-Ray high output from Milwaukee IA. It's a lot of talking. This one is fully charged. This one here we've just been using for the video. Evil Twin's gonna cut over there. I'm gonna cut over here. Tie 2 5-pound weights to them and just see what it does. Oh, and by the way, 2 brand new blades from Diablo. Yeah, I thought the Milwaukee IA, if I remember correctly, and I use this saw a lot, but this is how I forget. It does not have the easy. You gotta hold that in all the way. You don't have that quick release. Huh. Okay, well, whatever. Yeah, that's a really nice feature on this right here. All right, I'm switching this to orbital, and I'm switching that to orbital. Yeah, like that, like so. You know what? I was gonna tie weights to these and everything. And I'm like, why? Nobody's doing that in real life. Let's just kind of set these on here, put the orbital on, and just go. You ready, Evil Twin? 3, 2, 1. I will tell you, I have no idea who won that. However, I will tell you, when this is pulled, there's no like jumping around. This thing just sinks. Let's show you again. Like, I'm not going to hold this. I'm gonna go one-handed, and this thing just goes. I mean, even with the orbital on, you can see it's still got a pretty straight cut. It didn't do like one of these deals because it's so crazy. I mean, the vibration control on this is really, really awesome. Oh, you got that a sweet rafter hook right there. So, all in all, even with that 10AH Bat-Ray on here, this thing's still pretty freaking light. The vibration is really awesome. I mean, just the control of it is mitigated. It's really, and you shut off that oscillating, that orbital action. Plus, you got that variable speed trigger right there. So I'm very happy with this. I am very happy with this recip saw. They did a very good job on it. Now, if you want to take a look at this, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check out. I think I can actually attach a link to the video for you to check out as well. But I know others out there have tried this. I've been seeing these all over Instagram and TikTok and whatever, and people really liking these things. I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in that sweet comment section below, and please don't forget to smash that like button. Yeah, bro. Got a couple videos for you right there. We'll be back with more videos soon.